Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 82 of building the Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters. In this issue, we're doing things with the door again. We're not finishing off. We've still got more to do. We're going to be fitting some interior bits and not fitting the glass, which is pretty frosted in the bit that just leaves the middle bit empty. I don't know why it's like that. I think it's because it was an ambulance to begin with, but I don't know. So first of all, we're going to fit the interior trim up the top there. We're going to be using the SM screws for that. So we've got a couple of those there. Just need a couple of those. Put one back in there. Keep that for later. Here we go. That's going to go in there. A couple. Is it just a couple or is it three? It's just two. The one at the front there does not get used quite yet. We've got that one there and that one there. All at the front there, not sure what that's for yet. I'll get those tightened up soon. We've got these plastic covers to go in place on the interior of the door, which the right way round, probably that way up. Yeah, it's going to go over those posts like so. That is using the bigger EM screws. 4 of those at the moment for those two. That's nice and easy. They just give the door a bit of thickness. You'll be able to see that when you open the door. Don't want to be seeing the insides. We'll mask it off quite nicely. One there. Right place. That's in the right place. And then that one. About there. Then we have two little post things. What are they for? I'm not using them yet. It doesn't. Yeah, it does mention them. Right, I see that now. Yep, good. Right, so the spring locking mechanism we're dealing with next. Spring goes over a long piece of the locking post, and that goes into the end of that, like that. And one more DM screw, which are these ones. One more DM screw will hold that in place. That's going to stick out of the hole there. Right, so I've got to get that to come out the hole, and then this to hold in place on there. There. So that's got to be that way round. Way round. That way round. The way round I had it to begin with. This is going to be the fun bit. How do I get that there and that there at the same time? Use a pair of tweezers that I can grab things with. That there. Oh, that missed. They weren't particularly good tweezers. Right. I shall do that behind the scenes because it's going to take some swearing. Get this lined up, I think. Goes there, so it does just stick out a little bit. So with that there, this should go over the end. Just like that. And then, yeah, I can't do that. hold that in place while you get that in place, because that's got a pin that goes through there, pin and a screw to get in place on that. Bit like that. Did I get the screw ready? I did. And that on there, I need to tighten that up, but that gives me just that little bit of movement there for the lock. Good. The last thing to attach is the little strips that go on the interior to stop the window getting squished and scratched. So we've got two of these. Very fine little self-adhesive things. Yeah, but they're going to stick on there. I should do that off camera because I need to get the bits peeled off and getting close to stick that where it needs to go. So that's that. Another issue done. The window will eventually obviously sit on there like so. And yeah, it's not going to be able to go up and down. I thought it might. It might. I don't know. It's all. Yeah, it will. It's going to slip behind that bit, not on top of that bit. So it's going to go in there and will obviously be able to be raised and lowered. Not that I ever will, I doubt. So that's that. Another issue done, and indeed another month done. That's another issue completed. So I shall see you for next month, for more of the same. When we'll probably be putting the inside bit of the door and attaching the window bit. So I shall see you for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.